Top 5 Best Controlled Smart Pan. Number 5. KQHD Security Bath-Eye Camera, the perfect all-in-one indoor camera for smarter, safer living. The pan/tilt feature gives you a full 360 degrees view, while motion detection alerts instantly notify you of any unexpected movement. Whether check latest price, visit the description link. Number 4. 5 megapixels 4K QHD resolution. This camera delivers crystal clear video day and night, so you never miss a detail. The pan/tilt feature gives you a full 360 degrees view, while motion detection alerts instantly notify you of any unexpected movement, whether it's your baby waking up, your dog exploring the kitchen, or a visitor at your door. Designed for true smart homes, the FUERS camera connects to your smart home and works seamlessly. Check latest price, visit the description link. Number 3. But it also slices, juliennes, and spiralizes. If you love variety from salads to zoodles, this is the chopper for you. It's sturdy, comes with interchangeable blades, and has a safety holder to keep your fingers safe. One gadget, endless possibilities. What's not to love? Check latest price, visit the description link. Number 2. Tired of scooping your cat's litter every day? Meet the Tompaz 65L Automatic Smart Cat Litter Box, the ultimate self-cleaning solution that keeps your cat's bathroom fresh and clean without the daily hassle. This fully enclosed smart litter box features a spacious 65L capacity, perfect for cats of all sizes. It automatically separates waste and clean litter with advanced self-cleaning technology, so your furry friend always has a fresh place to go. Check latest price, visit the description link. Number 1. This small but mighty chopper is perfect for quick jobs, camping, or small kitchens. Many models are hand-pull or mini-electric style, so you don't need a plug. Just pull or push and you're done. Great for chopping garlic, chili, or herbs without dirtying your big tools. It's compact, easy to clean, and super handy on the go. It's sturdy, comes with interchangeable blades, and has a safety holder to keep your fingers safe. Check latest price. Visit the description link